Since 1996, the Shantui R&D Center of Road Machinery achieved many new technologies through the 20 more years development. At present, start from 10 tons up to 36 tons. Shantui roller family have variety of modes and optional configurations to meet different customers' requirements. The Shantui SR12-5 hydrostatic vibratory roller is powered by Weichai high-efficiency engine. It makes this roller has higher reserved power with better fuel consumption and lower noise. The hydrostatic transmission always provide the optimum speed. The dual frequency and dual amplitude hydraulic vibratory system offers widest range for different type of jobs. Weichai WP6 engine delivers a net output of 105 kilowatts at 2,200 revolutions per minute. It features high torque reserve and great fuel efficiency. The front and rear drums used by hydrostatic transmission system that consists of dual-path closed circuits with 2 variable displacement piston pumps and 2 variable displacement travel motors, providing powerful gradability. It allows variable speed selection controlled by single joystick, always providing the best speed for different applications. The closed-loop circuit is applied. With dual frequency and dual amplitude, the scientifically reasonable static linear load and existing force configuration that guarantees the effective compacting for the materials of diversified types and the pavements of diversified thicknesses. The vibration pump adopts heavy-duty variable displacement piston pump to guarantee the reliability of vibration system. The articulated steering system features flexible and smooth steering. The steering gear with FK combination valve to achieve high flow, low steering force, and overload protection and cushioning function. The brake system composed of the brakes on drive axle and reducer and the hydrostatic brake of closed-loop hydraulic system incorporates the service brake, parking brake, and emergency brake functions to guarantee the driving safety and reliability. The vibrating drum adopts Shantui design new structure, provides realized high vibration force and high static pressure. The vibrating chamber is internally installed with unique lubricator to well lubricate the vibration-resistant bearings. The road roller special vibration-resistant bearings are used, featuring higher speed limit, high rated load, and long life. The standard drum and optional padfoot drum with standard tires and flotation desert tires offers variety of configurations meet different requirements. Polyhedral structure cab features perfect visibility. Large space provides better safety and comfort. Wide open hood brings easier access to the engine and hydraulic filters. The optional centralized pressure measurement system helps easier diagnoses.